pull up, talking about he want to race. Okay, stop the engine right there. Burn it, yeah, hey. Yeah, I gotta rent, yeah, I gotta make, got no safe, I don't got no safe, I don't keep no money, no wallet, no safe. Little bitch, I got racks on racks in the bank. Yeah, bitch, too much racks in the bank, talking about the bank. Alright guys, what's going on with y'all, bro? This is Brian's Fragrance is coming back with another video, gang. Okay, so guys, look, today we is gonna be reviewing this is from the house, this is from Paris Corner, and this is called Voux Patisserie. If I said that right, it's called Patisserie. So guys, look, this is cloning Xerjoff Italica. Now guys, look, I haven't smelled much fragrances by the house of Xerjoff. I smelled a lot of clones of the Xerjoff though, but I didn't smell too much fragrances from Xerjoff. I think I only smelled like 1 or 2 fragrances from Xerjoff. That was Naxxas and Herba Pure. But the notes on this Voux Patisserie is going to be, so the main core is going to be warm, spicy, citrus, vanilla, woody, powdery, aromatic, sweet, and fruity. So the top notes going to be tangerine, cardamom, and saffron. Middle notes going to be apple and rose. Base notes going to be vanilla and sandalwood. Which, guys, this is kind of like this kind of don't sound right, because the Italica notes on Xerjoff is looking like almond, milk, and saffron. Middle notes is vanilla and toffee. Base notes is sandalwood, musk, and cedar. But I don't know if y'all know, but they can put together notes that could smell close to these notes. But the Xerjoff one looked way more gourmand than the Voux one. But I guarantee you that they could, like, this could be some type of like tweak with some notes to, like, make it look. So guys, this is the official sample of it though. And let's go ahead and get this on skin. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this one on skin. I'm a big fan of gourmand fragrances. So we just did 3 sprays with that. But I'm a big fan of gourmand fragrances. So let's see what this one hitting on. So let's see. Okay. I am picking up the almond. Picking up the milk. This is giving me like almond milk type vibes. Man, this one nice. This is a gourmand. Yeah, I am picking up a decent amount of almond. Guys, this is what I'm saying. Just because that the notes don't look close to the, Xerjoff one, they could tweak the notes and like put together notes to like make them things smell like almond milk and toffee. But wow, I am getting a decent amount of almond. Definitely am. This one is giving me vibes of some heavy almond milk. Like definitely almond milk with saffron. And you is getting that toffee in the background, but it isn't louder than the almond milk. The almond milk is probably the loudest thing up in here. Now, with this one, with this Voux clone, right? Now, you is going to be, I could see how they did this. I could see why they put together these notes like this. These damn notes is kind of like smelling with the Xerjoff one. I think that would be smelling like, because I am picking up the almond milk. I am picking up a slight bit of toffee. Yeah, definitely this is going to be a full bottle up in my collection. Definitely. This is like, I will say gourmand that isn't too sweet. It's more of like a classy fragrance, something that you definitely win. Yeah, definitely when you go out to dinner or something like that, or maybe even, I wouldn't say this is date night, because it ain't that sweet. I would say this is more like you going out, on a, just, maybe just going out to an expensive dinner or something like that. Man, this is nice though. Now, this is like a gourmand, but it isn't too gourmand. All right, now I'm kind of like picking up a little bit more toffee up in here, but trust me, like that almond milk type of vibe is definitely there. Yeah. I highly recommend Patisserie by the House of Paris Corner. Highly recommend this. But this was Brian's Fragrances coming back with another video. Y'all talk again for the next one.